Welcome to the ultimate guide to 3D printers that deliver way more value than their price tags suggest in 2026. These 10 machines represent the perfect sweet spot where cutting-edge technology meets affordability, proving that professional quality 3D printing no longer requires mortgage-level investments. From budget-friendly entry models to prosumer powerhouses, each printer on this list punches dramatically above its weight class with features and capabilities that would have cost thousands just a few years ago. Whether you're a hobbyist starting your first print or a professional seeking reliable production capabilities, these printers deliver incredible value that makes the technology accessible to everyone. Let's count down the 3D printers that redefine what's possible at every price point. Number 10. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE continues the legendary Ender 3 legacy with modern improvements that make 3D printing incredibly accessible for beginners. This printer features automatic bed leveling that eliminates the frustrating manual calibration process that discouraged countless newcomers in previous generations. The direct drive extruder handles flexible filaments easily, expanding your material options beyond basic PLA into TPU and other specialty materials. The build volume of 222 to 22 Ferri provides ample space for most home projects, from functional parts to decorative prints and prototypes. The heated bed reaches printing temperature quickly and maintains consistent heat distribution, ensuring excellent first-layer adhesion throughout long prints. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes operation straightforward, even for complete beginners without any prior 3D printing experience or technical knowledge. The Core XZ motion system delivers faster print speeds while maintaining print quality that rivals machines costing significantly more money everywhere. This printer represents incredible value as an entry point into 3D printing, offering features that were premium options just years ago. Number 9. Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro delivers impressive speed and reliability with its upgraded motion system that prints up to 500 mm per second. This printer features automatic bed leveling with 25-point probing, ensuring perfect first layers across the entire build surface every single time. The direct drive extruder combined with all-metal hot end allows printing high-temperature materials like nylon and polycarbonate for engineering applications. The build volume of 250 x 220 modi accommodates most projects, while the enclosed design option helps maintain temperature stability for challenging materials. The dual cooling fans provide excellent part cooling, enabling crisp overhangs and bridging that produces clean prints without support material sagging. The flexible magnetic PEI build plate makes print removal effortless, while providing excellent adhesion during printing for reliable results consistently. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive with clear menus that make operation simple even for users new to printers. This Cobra 2 Pro represents exceptional value by combining speed, reliability, and advanced features at prices that make professional capabilities accessible. Number 8. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. The Bamboo Lab A1 Mini packs incredible technology into a compact footprint, perfect for desks, apartments, or anywhere space comes at premium. This printer features automatic calibration that handles bed leveling, flow rate, and vibration compensation automatically before every print starts. The multicolor printing capability through AMS Lite allows creating vibrant multicolored prints without expensive multi-material systems or manual changes. The build volume of 180 mm handles most functional prints and models despite the compact overall footprint of the machine. The enclosed design with active heating enables printing engineering materials like ABS and ASA without warping or layer separation issues. The LiDAR-based first layer inspection detects problems early and pauses prints automatically, saving filament and time from complete print failures. The silent operation makes this printer suitable for home offices or bedrooms without disturbing work, sleep, or family activities nearby. This A1 Mini represents Bamboo Lab's commitment to making advanced features accessible in compact, affordable packages that don't compromise capability. Number 7. Prusa MK4S. The Prusa MK4S continues the legendary Prusa reliability with modern upgrades including input shaper for faster printing without quality loss. This printer features the innovative Next router with built-in load cell, providing real-time force feedback for perfect first layers and filament detection. The removable spring steel PEI sheet makes print removal effortless, while the textured surface provides excellent adhesion during printing for reliability. The 250:2 tanks 220mm build volume handles most projects, while the open design allows easy access for maintenance and visual monitoring. The upgraded control board enables faster processing and advanced features while maintaining the legendary Prusa firmware and user experience everyone loves. The Power Panic feature saves print progress during power outages, automatically resuming when power returns without losing hours of work. The extensive online community and Prusa's legendary customer support make troubleshooting easy when problems arise during ownership and operation. This MK4S represents the gold standard for reliable, well-supported 3D printers that simply work without constant tinkering or frustration. Number 4. Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max delivers enormous build volume and incredible speed in a package that democratizes large-format 3D printing for everyone. This printer features a massive 300mm build volume, allowing printing of furniture parts, large cosplay props, or multiple objects simultaneously. The Core XY motion system achieves speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, making this one of the fastest consumer printers available today. The fully enclosed heated chamber maintains consistent temperatures crucial for printing large objects in ABS or ASA without warping failures. The auto-bed leveling with flexible magnetic build plate ensures reliable first-layer adhesion across the massive build surface every time. The dual cooling fans with optimized airflow provide excellent part cooling even at high speeds, enabling quality overhangs and bridges. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, while the built-in camera allows remote monitoring of prints through smartphone apps. This K1 Max represents revolutionary value by making large-format, high-speed printing accessible at prices previously impossible to imagine or achieve. Number 3. AnchorMake M5C. The AnchorMake M5C brings Anchor's legendary quality control and user experience design to 3D printing with impressive results throughout. This printer features AI-powered print monitoring through built-in camera detecting failures early and alerting you via smartphone app instantly. The quick-swap nozzle system allows tool-free nozzle changes in seconds, making material switches or maintenance incredibly simple and fast. The print speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, combined with quality algorithms, ensuring speed doesn't compromise the final print quality or detail. The build volume of 235x235's 200 Fm handles most projects, while the integrated LED lighting provides excellent visibility during setup and monitoring. The Power Boost technology delivers 300 W of heating power, allowing the hotend to reach printing temperature in just 30 seconds flat. The vibration compensation automatically adjusts for resonances, ensuring smooth surfaces even at maximum speed settings without tuning or calibration. This M5C represents Anchor's approach to making 3D printing as user-friendly as their phone chargers, with quality that simply works. Number 2. Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. The Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon represents the pinnacle of consumer 3D printing, with professional features and incredible speed throughout operation. This printer achieves speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, with acceleration rates that would cause quality issues on lesser machines completely. The multi-material capability through AMS handles up to 4 materials, simultaneously enabling complex multicolor or multi-material prints automatically without intervention. The fully enclosed, actively heated chamber maintains precise temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius for engineering materials requiring thermal stability always. The hardened steel nozzle comes standard, allowing printing of abrasive carbon fiber and glass fiber composites without nozzle wear or degradation. The LiDAR and AI monitoring detect failures in real time, automatically pausing prints when problems occur, saving materials and precious time. The Core XY motion system with carbon fiber rods provides exceptional rigidity, enabling the incredible speeds while maintaining precision and quality. This X1 Carbon represents what's possible when engineering excellence meets user-focused design, creating machines that professionals trust for production. Number 1. Prusa XL Multi-Tool. The Prusa XL Multi-Tool takes the top spot as the most impressive value proposition in consumer 3D printing today. This printer features true multi-tool capability with up to 5 independent tool heads, allowing genuine multi-material printing without purge towers. The massive 360x360x 360mm build volume enables printing furniture-scale objects or large batches of smaller parts for small business production. The automatic tool-changing system switches between materials seamlessly during prints, creating objects impossible with traditional single-nozzle multi-material systems. The load cell technology in every tool head provides perfect first layers and automatic calibration, ensuring consistent quality across the massive build. The segmented heated bed with independent zone control compensates for thermal expansion, maintaining perfect flatness across the enormous surface area. The modular design allows starting with single tool head and upgrading to multi-tool capability later as needs and budgets evolve. This XL represents Prusa's vision for the future of desktop manufacturing, combining reliability, capability, and expandability in unprecedented ways today.